forget to hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. So let's get started. This model is AB005. So let's get started opening, and guess what? This is light up from the sides. Wow! Guys, look at this. It's so cool. Now, I'm going to take it out slowly so it doesn't break. And I'm going to unfold it. Guess what, guys? This is also foldable, so you can take it anywhere you want. And it's also anti-sweat, so you don't need to worry about it. And there's an on-off button somewhere. There's an on-off button. You can turn it on. Oh my god! Did you see it flashed? Oh my god! It looks so cool. It's light up from both sides. It's blue color. So there's a aux and USB there. So you could put your own plug in there. Then we got some wires. So you can either use wires in here or you could use a wireless. So we got the USB or the aux. So now I'm going to open it. I'm going to take it out. So I'm going to unlock the wire. So this goes for the aux because you plug it in here. And this USB, this plug is for the USB one, so you can charge it. So, the battery in here lasts for 10 hours. So, this headphones is really cool. This headphones, you can either use the wires or you could use a wireless because it's a wireless headphone. It also has a Bluetooth and it's a radio here too, so you can listen to your songs anytime. You can put your memory card. If you have any memory card, you can put any of your memory cards in here and you could listen to your own songs without a Bluetooth. So we got a warranty card. So anyone who purchases RIWBOX products on Amazon will receive 1 year warranty service regulation email by the support RIWBOX.com. Within 1 week, don't forget to offer your order number. So my dad
Good.
My dad connected the Bluetooth to this headphone, so it's gonna light up when I start the music on my dad's phone. So did it light up, guys? I'm gonna see. It's actually lighting up. So guys, when the music is there, it actually lights up. But when I stop the music, it doesn't light up because this is connected to there, to the lights. So the LED is dancing on the music beat on my music. So let's see it again. store. See, it's lighting up to the music. Now still lights, see? Still lights going to the music. But when I press this, now it's off. Cool. You need to keep holding it like this and then it turns off easily. Guys, this headphone is so nice and it has a really soft pad so it doesn't hurt the kids' ears. It has a FM radio. It has a Bluetooth connection, wireless, and it's also size adjustable, so it could use with wire or without wires. I have other RIWBOX headphones and other Amazon products, so right behind this fun world and check out my other videos. Like, share and subscribe if you like my channel.